Good morning, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a grand solar minimum update Saturday, April 11th, 10 a.m. Mountain Time 2020. The models are in and they're showing several heavy snow events in the Midwest, April blizzards, record cold, and the big story 5.3 magnitude hits just east of Yosemite moments ago. Blizzards, earthquakes, volcanoes. Oh my. Violent weather across the South could make for dangerous Easter weekend. Tornadoes, flash flooding, hail, damaging wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Highest tornado risk in the dark red from Houston to Nashville, Sunday through Sunday night. Keep calm. It's boom time. Severe weather outbreak is likely in the South this weekend, including the threat of strong tornadoes, damaging wind, and hail. Widespread damaging wind gusts and large hail are possible. A number of tornadoes may be strong and have long tracks. Severe thunderstorms may be numerous from late Saturday through Sunday night, including hail the size of quarters. A dangerous severe weather outbreak is likely across large parts of the South over Easter weekend, including threats of tornadoes, widespread damaging winds, very large hail, and flooding rain. So keep an eye on the map. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's see what they have to say.
They're now bracing for the biggest weather threat so far of the spring season. A powerful storm cell unleashed lightning and hail in southwest Texas Friday. Flood warnings stretch from California to the deep south. Tornadoes and damaging winds are expected through Monday, with the most severe weather likely on Easter Sunday. Meteorologist Jeff Baradelli joins us with the nation's weather. Jeff, good morning. That does not sound good.
Good morning, Michelle. Yeah, we need to take this threat very seriously, as you said, especially on Sunday. But even today in Texas, we're going to see severe weather, the possibility of a few
The nexus of the
tornadoes. Let's start
schmexus.
out by showing you what's going to be happening and why this is going to be such a significant outbreak of severe weather. We have a strong jet stream right now. An area of low pressure has been spinning around in California. That is going to be ejecting to the east. As it does so, it's going to invigorate a very strong subtropical jet stream with winds aloft over 100 miles an hour. At the surface, the Gulf of Mexico right now is really warm, 4 to 8 degrees above normal. That's going to supply a lot of warmth, humidity, and instability. All right, let's show you hour by hour what's going to happen. Storms developing this morning in Texas. As we head through the day, the worst of it could be Dallas down to around Houston. After that, that's going to move to the east, and look at what happens in Texas. Another surge of severe weather. That's the one we're really concerned about. During the day on Sunday, lots of thunderstorms, supercell thunderstorms possible. Could be long track tornadoes. Be very, very careful. Make sure you pay attention to any warnings that are issued from the National Weather Service. And
Yep, make sure you take care of any warnings from the National Weather Service and from Diamond. We're going to get to those watches and warnings in just a minute. Sorry, Fort Collins, but Easter Sunday forecast calls for bitter cold and possible record snow. National Weather Service warns of record-breaking cold with incoming snow in Wyoming. So put your jacket on. Storms could bring wind gusts and hail the size of quarters to San Antonio over the weekend. So put your helmet on. This powerhouse storm will supply bitter cold, heavy snow from the Rockies to the Great Lakes beginning this weekend. And Bill Waddell looks like he should have been a sportscaster. Even in Alberta, snow lasts until today with temperatures taking a tumble. Take a look at some of the totals here. 20 to 25 centimeters north of Banff. Calgary, High River, absolutely buried in mid-April. Let's check out the snowfall analysis for the 24 hours. You can see that bomb cyclone that moved off the northeast, dumping another 6 inches in New Hampshire, Vermont, northern New York, and Maine. And the heaviest snow from the system moving in now, coming into Montana with 6 to 12 inches. And those totals will increase. Now, the major storm to impact central and eastern U.S. this weekend, the Easter blizzard. The threat for severe thunderstorms and flash flooding will push eastward across the southern plains through tonight before significant outbreak of severe storms, including damaging winds, strong tornadoes is possible across large parts of the southeast. Watches and warnings are not up yet, but check the map at weather.gov if you're worried about tornadoes in your region. There'll be heavy snow across the Rockies that will advance to the Great Lakes by Sunday, and let's check out the CMC model. This is going to bring us just 10 days. So here's our Saturday and that heavy snow covering Montana, a little bit of lingering snow in the Northeast. Saturday, Sunday. Monday, it's already going to have moved into South Dakota, Nebraska, heavy snow in Iowa, southern Minnesota. And the big winner right there, Monday, Wisconsin and the Upper P could be picking up 16 inches in that swath, moving up to Ontario and Quebec. And then take a look at this. Monday through Tuesday, Texas, the nexus of the Schmexis, New Mexico getting heavy snow as that moves into Oklahoma. And then the southern mountains of the Appalachians picking up to 16 inches Wednesday, April 15th. And then watch what's behind it. Hello, Philly, New York. A snow system to move across the Central Plains at the end of April will break records, hundreds of records. Heavy snow returns mid-April to the Sierras and the Cascades, even central Nevada. Grand solar minimum much? And there's the big boomer. Now we have seismic activity, an increase. We have an increase in intraplate quakes over the last month. We've had quakes in Utah, Croatia, and now just east of Yellowstone, a 5.3 downgraded to 5.2 in Bodie, California. And we have Krakatoa. So that's the center point of the quake. Here's Yosemite, Stanislaus National Forest, right on the state line, basically. Indonesia's most active volcano, Merapi, erupts. Flight issues warning. I put out a video yesterday on the trifecta of eruptions, Fuego, Merapi, and Krakatoa. Oh, we're not going to get any video on that. And take a look. The mainstream is picking up what we're putting down. In this article coming out today in The Guardian yesterday, awakening volcanic region in Iceland could cause disruptions for centuries. And this is the Reykjanes Peninsula we've been covering for months and warning the public about what's happening there. Mainstream is just picking it up now. Well, we do not have... Oh, there it is. It just lost it. So we'll wait for that to pop back up because that's a good one. And you can see Krakatoa is calming down over the last 24 hours. Spectacular lava fountains. And the camera survived the eruption, so we're going to be getting some amazing footage from that. The largest and longest eruption since 2018 happening at Anak Krakatau, the child of Krakatoa. And here's an amazing shot of that. No, we don't want any of your Bloomberg. Well, free article limit. Who knew? So we'll be supplying some excellent footage from Krakatoa as it comes out. The last puff was to 10,000 feet. And we're just waiting on some more activity here. Kluchaskov puffing again to 20,000 feet. So we have Sabankaya at 25,000. So definite uptick in the volcanic activity there. And some good news. Consumer prices fall the most in 5 years as gasoline plunges just over 70 cents a gallon in some areas. Not that you're going anywhere. And toxic agriculture and the Gates Foundation. Could you even imagine that the man in charge of the vaccination program worldwide has links to the pharmaceutical industry, which has links to big ag? Yes. It's all a big play to keep you sick, to keep you in the hospital, and to keep you vaccinated, and to keep you, well, a slave. Read the article. Read the article. What a view. Mercury probe. We're talking about Bepi Colombo. Snap stunning photos of our not flat globe moving by. Take a look. Pretty amazing. Guys, I hope you got something out of the video. Volcanoes, they's be exploding. We've got an April Easter blizzard. We've got volcanoes exploding. We've got record cold, record snow, earthquakes happening in the middle of plates. I wonder who predicted this. We love each and every one of you. Thanks to our one-time donors, our Patreons. Please share this video. The algorithm will not help us. Shut up, Al. Get in your hole.